Alright, we're going to do an unboxing on this Bauer 20-volt cordless orbital sander. This is a 5-inch orbital sander. Let's start with opening the box. I don't expect there will be much to it. Got your instruction manual. Oh, it comes with a few discs. On the top it's P80, P120, and P220. 3 sanding discs. We got the dust collector and the tool itself. Feels pretty sturdy. The discs are applied with hook and loop, otherwise known as Velcro. That sticks on there solid. On-off switch. And I imagine this is also one of the tools where they would like you to use nothing but 3 amp hour or above. We'll check that out later. This tool right here, I don't see anything that tells you it's cordless. Not cordless, but brushless. Let's check the box. No, this is not brushless. Let's read some of the specs, if we're getting into that already. Onboard dust collector, powered by a Bauer battery, we know that. Lock on switch, on off switch. Comfortable rubber palm grip. Random orbital action, delivers smooth swirl-free finish. Hook and loop accessory attachment, and industrial fan cooled motor with sealed bearings. This is the tool only, it does not come with a battery. So we're getting ready to put this thing to work and see how it does.
Here's another chance to pause the video and read the features and the specs of this orbital sander.
Alright, so as you can see, the dust collector looks like it twists on and screws in, but it is just pressure. Do that. Here you go. And we're going to add our disc. We're going to start out with 220. I'm going to line up the holes so the dust will collect properly. There we go. That's pretty good. And we're going to slap a 3 amp hour battery on there. Feels pretty good. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah.
While you're watching me sand this bumper, let me tell you some of my thoughts on this orbital sander. It's nice not having to worry about a cord being in your way, and the 3 amp hour battery performed well. I believe the 5 amp hour battery is about the same size, so the balance should be about the same. I don't know how long it'll last, the 3 amp hour versus the 5, but for my purposes, the 3 amp hour battery was big enough to last me the whole job. I double checked on the box and in the owner's manual, and there was no mention of they recommending using a 3 amp hour battery or above. So I guess the 1.5 amp hour battery would be fine, and it'd make the tool even lighter. It'll probably cut at least 1/3 of the weight off the tool. If I had any cons on this tool, it would be that it doesn't come with a brushless model. As we all know, a brushless model is a lot better than brushed. It'll last you longer and run cooler. This video is short and sweet, but I think you get the general idea about this tool and whether you'd like to invest some money into it. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, give it a like. Thank you.